So we're spending the day here at 2 Leo academies to see how they're encouraging a love of reading through digital skills and how one can actually complement and even drive the other.
So you click on this add button and then you get these options.
When we first started using digital media, I would say that there was initial reluctance from some staff, which very quickly went away when they saw the engagement and the speed of progression that the children were working through.
We want our young people reading as much as possible, but we also know that digital skills are a huge part of their future. So Spark is just a really simple tool that can be used in the classroom in order to record some of those ideas they have about books, to tell us about books that they like, and show their love of reading in a way which is more than just words on a page.
I thought using Adobe Spark would take days, but the fact that they can do it in an hour is incredible.
So you push the voice button and say something, and then when you play all the slides, it will say what you put there.
The initial reaction straight away from the children was excitement. Using tools like Spark have really helped our reluctant writers to become more engaged with their work.
Adobe Spark is a really easy to use tool in the classroom. We've used Spark Post to create some really professional looking artwork, and we've used Spark Video to produce content to inspire and motivate our writing.
They're far more excited than they would be if it was just traditional methods.
This book is about a boy named Henry who ate lots of
So I think there's an interesting relationship between technology and reading at the moment. We know that kids absolutely love technology. When you've got the YouTube generation, doing things like video book reviews is absolutely the perfect way to give them a bit of what they want, that digital media, at the same time as making them absolutely passionate about reading books. So it's not that they're writing any less. The technology gives them a purpose for their writing, so they're using that traditional writing and putting that all together in a way that gives life to their writing.
I think I'm just going to continue using it for writing purposes because, again, it's just nice seeing the children thrive. It's the way into good writing, isn't it?